Maybe he should hurry up. Maybe you're closing in an hour. Come on, come on, come on.
He's so stressed, guys, so he's murmuring there. Damn. There is electrical cars charging station. Where are we going, my love?
By a couch.
By a couch. Because our couch will arrive on April. You know, guys, we have sofa, but it arrives on April. It's so stupid. It's 8 weeks ordered. Is it 8 weeks?
Yeah, 8 weeks.
8 weeks. It's here. 15 real plus 11. So we'll go to. What are you doing? Can I ride? This is real 15 and plus 11. Man, honey, you can't do like that. Plus 15. There is the sofa. Yeah, it's. You should go down.
Yeah. It's that one? Also?
Yeah, asa room.
And the gray?
Gray.
Gray?
Gray. Look what it's doing, guys.
Maybe, do you want to carry it?
Naitak.
36 kilos. 56 kilos. 59 kilos.
59?
It's almost like me.
Two like you.
No.
It's almost like him. Maybe twice. Because you are 100.
95.
I don't want 100.
Actually, it's apartment for.
Nah, because you eat.
Labor here, I'm 75.
You are. No, because we always eat pizza.
Not if you eat pizza.
And you always eat burger.
Not if
and
no
fries.
idea what you're talking about. Do we need like a table? Do we have a table?
No, we don't.
We don't need a table? No.
Because we're not gonna use it anyway.
Maybe, you know, to have the plate on.
Oh yeah.
You know, like the. Oh, what is that called? The very cheap one that we saw up there. That or that?
Is that the same?
It's double twice big.
Nah, I would just like that. That's so big. That's also nice. Or like, can you also click the other one?
12 seconds later.
It's like there's a computer, guys. Oh, nice. Maybe there. I can search it here. Oh yeah, it's not a touch screen. There.
Oh, there, 29 krona.
There. Oh, why it's like what's the difference? Ah, yeah, it's much bigger. Oh yeah. There, I can see. There, I want the brown one. I want the brown one.
There.
The brown.
Yeah, it's not brown, it's wheat rice at Ike. 404.
So nice, guys. Oi. What is that? A bed? Oi.
12 12 seconds later.
Already here at the apartment, and I have here the table, so we will gonna do unboxing, and I will also assemble that one. Yes guys, it will be me who will gonna assemble that. It's much is it this is easier guys, because IKEA has manual on how to do it, and they have really a picture that makes it very easy to do it. So it's like Lego, if you're familiar with that. So yeah guys, I will just gonna set up this camera. So where should I put this one? So maybe there maybe. So they have a manual here guys. It's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is easier, and it has pictures like this. So I guess I need a screwdriver to do it. So yeah, I guess I need a screwdriver now. The table, and there is the sofa. We're done guys, and that one there will be moved here, and this one will be moved there, and I will gonna paint this one here, and hubby will gonna make the bench plate. Can you say hi there?
How you can watch this?
Oh my god, I should have that thing there.